Elon Musk has been all over the news in the few days of this new year. The Tesla CEO is one of the richest men alive with a net worth of $184.8 billion. And depending on when you're watching this video, he could be worth even more. One of the greatest innovators of our time, Elon Musk, is known for his unwavering vision and relentless work ethic. Over the years, he's been an inspiration to numerous aspiring entrepreneurs across the world. Despite all the 5-star hotels he could sleep in, the Tesla CEO chooses to sleep at his factories. Not just now and again, but often. Elon Musk has repeatedly said that he sleeps in his factories. That's what he did during his recent visit to the Gigafactory under construction in Berlin, Tesla's first vehicle factory in Europe. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you too can know the secrets to success and boost your confidence towards achieving your goals with every new video we upload. Elon Musk has seen Tesla through some hard times. He brought both himself and the company back from the brink of bankruptcy. It's really not difficult to figure out how Musk has definitely been very vocal about how much work he puts into Tesla. Kidding aside, for years he has been doing this. This includes camping on the roof of Tesla's battery factory in the desert of Nevada. And he showed CBS exactly where he was sleeping at Tesla's Fremont, California production plant. He added, "I sleep on the couch over there. Last time I was here, I actually slept literally on the floor because the couch was too narrow. When things get really intense and I don't have time to go home and shower and change, so I just sleep here." However, he doesn't just do this to save time. He has crafted for himself this particular style. He explains that he doesn't want to be one of those CEOs in an ivory tower, far removed from the hardships his employees face on the front line. He says he wants his pain to be worse than theirs. There is no doubt, to get Tesla to where it is today, his employees had to work a lot. In 2020, the company sold almost 500,000 vehicles, a remarkable feat given how close it was to bankruptcy a few years ago as it struggled to mass-produce the Model 3. They have set a target of 5,000 cars per week in 2018. In the first 3 months, they were only capable of manufacturing 800 vehicles. They managed to drive up to 2,020 cars in April. This made Musk move to take over from his head of production, Doug Field. He tweeted, "About a year ago, I asked Doug to manage both engineering and production. He agreed that Tesla needed engineering and production better aligned, so we don't design crazy cars that are too hard to build. Right now though, better to divide and conquer, so I'm back to sleeping at a factory. Car biz is hell." He concentrated so much on the job that he declined to give a lot of interviews. He responded to an information request from a reporter, saying, hello, I need to create cars." Part of the issue was too much automation or too many robots were used by Tesla too early, and any problem will cause the whole assembly line to halt. The human workers were also overworked, tired, and even passed out on the factory floor, according to a report in The Guardian. Musk said he cared deeply for the health and welfare of his workers in response to this post, and stressed that since then, Tesla's safety record had greatly improved. But soon afterward, another allegation on high accident rates at the factory reached Tesla. So Musk answered with an all-staff email that was applauded by leadership experts. He wrote, "No words can express how much I care about your safety and well-being. It breaks my heart when someone is injured building cars and trying their best to make Tesla successful." He went on to say he'd meet with every injured employee and would go down to the production line and perform the same task that they performed. This hands-on approach was direct proof that he is willing to put himself at the very root of problem solving. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk does his best to inspire his employees by motivating them to succeed and by helping them feel like they're part of a larger team. And sleeping in his factories could make Tesla an enormous success by encouraging his workers a long way. By 2030, Tesla plans to manufacture 20 million vehicles a year, 40 times what it delivered in 2020. Just a mad amount of work is going to get Tesla there. Musk claims he's clocked in more than 120 hours a week at times, a work ethic he embraced early on. He doesn't expect his employees to camp out at work, but does expect them to spend a lot of waking hours there. The team worked 100 hours a week during the painful production ramp-up of the Model 3. That is equivalent of 7 days a week, 14 hours a day. Critics say that he forced his staff to the edge. Musk said that there is no other way to achieve the production goals of Tesla. In the second half of 2019, the firm bounced back and met its delivery objectives. As its stock price continues to soar, Tesla is now the world's most successful automotive maker. Even though the future of his company looks promising, the CEO says it's not time to slow down. He once explained that if someone is working 50 hours a week and you're working 100, you'll get twice as much done in the course of a year and be that much further ahead. As Musk himself admitted, there are way easier places to work, but nobody ever changed the world on 40 hours a week. Perhaps this attitude is the reason why only 65% of Tesla employees suggest working there on Glassdoor reviews, compared to 85% who recommend Apple. That doesn't mean people don't want to be hired at Tesla. They just recognize it's a demanding place to work. Several profiles on LinkedIn have listed the company as a dream employer. Elon Musk looks likely to continue his habit of sleeping in factories. However, his experience may be a little easier now, as Ben Sullins, a YouTuber, created a GoFundMe account to buy Elon Musk a better couch. Elon was offered one for free by the furniture company. All the money raised was then donated to charity. We're hoping he actually uses his couch though. He said previously that he moves himself wherever Tesla needs the most help. He couldn't possibly carry a large couch around. Let's keep an eye on his Twitter feed to find out. One cannot mention Elon Musk and not acknowledge his Twitter account. That must be why he has been in some trouble there before. Most, if not all. It has become a source of knowledge. On this site, expression comes easily from us. That must be why, before most, if not all, he had been in some trouble there. We know about Musk and Tesla from his frequent tweets. He goes as far as sharing his work with actual people who are asking questions. This attribute is rare and unique to Tesla. Surveys have shown that it helps generate a sense of loyalty and inclusion for clients and customers of Tesla. Seeing this amazing rise and demand of Tesla, we are certain that Elon will continue to work hard for his dream company. Well, that's it for today, folks. Hope you got some value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications if you like our content, and help us reach more people so we can all grow together. Help one another and get one step closer to success every time. We will see you in the next video. Take care.